Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A60, and right now I'm going to show you how to transfer apps from your internal storage to external SD card. So right now we have to go for the settings, then scroll down to enter apps. And for example, we can select the application. Maybe we can go for the clone it. And if you want to move it, just click on the storage, then tap on the changed and move it to your SD card. Then click on the move. And right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, and right now when we enter once again on the storage, you will see that the storage is on the application is moved to the external storage. And when you want to get back to the internal, you have to select and just do the same. And very important is that you cannot move all of these apps, because when we enter the default application, for example the Samsung device care, and try to move it on the storage, the option is not available here. So you can only move the apps that you get from the Play Store or any other sources like APK Pure or any other stuff. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.